Forgot. I can't just walk up to the car and have the door open. There's no comfort access, so I gotta use the key to unlock. That's poor. That ain't rich. Little cold start action for y'all. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the gas station. We got Enrique, we got my GTS, we got Ben 10, we got the homie Amir with his G80 M3 super fast. We got the other homie with the M4. He recently just copped it. But this is probably one of the sickest G80s out there. Frozen white, on BBS's, tuned, down, like all this crazy stuff. It's just so sick. Let's check it out real quick. Because I know the engine bay is crazy. Look at that. All the Downstar hardware. Sheesh, look at that. Rich. Damn. All over Enrique. All the orange, this is crazy, bro. All the titanium hardware from Downstar.
I did check this out. This is so weird. I paint myself, but I paint the bars, not this.
Pop your hood, pop your hood. Let's see. Two beautiful G80 M3s, M4s, E46s. We have Enrique's beautiful G80 M3.
See?
Sheesh.
I paint.
We have so much orange going on today.
To get that touch, seeing this, it took me like I erased it and deleted it like 5 times.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a cloudy day. It's been kind of raining. I hope it stops raining because we cannot be driving the M4 in this type of weather, guys. I need tires badly, and I'm on Cup 2, so they're kind of already worn down, and they're kind of like slick tires, so they do go by pretty quick, and they're not the best in this type of weather. Anyways, we're waiting for a couple others to pull up, and then we're gonna go to this car meet, Cards and Connections. They just switched the address on us, guys. We were literally like a minute away from the address. We're right at the street. I picked the perfect gas station to meet up at, and then they went ahead and they changed the location last minute to their original spot, which I was probably about maybe 10 minutes, 11 minutes away from. So now we got to backtrack and go back the other way, but it's all good. We got the homies with us. It's gonna be a fun drive. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll pick up the camera once we meet up with the homies and we take off. He's got the Balenciagas on too. We got the Dior's. These are pretty comfortable, guys. I like these. A little comfortable.
They're subtle.
Huh?
Subtle.
They're subtle? You can't really tell they're Dior though. I feel like I gotta tell people, hey look, my sandals are, my slippers are Dior, you gotta check them out.
Because I see it in the light, I was like, oh, okay.
I feel like in the light they do reflect a little bit. So freaking clean. Gotta love the G80s, man. They're just beautiful. They look so nice. Look at that rolling. Damn. Got the homie there. Alright guys, we've made it to the second location, which they should have just done from the beginning because this spot is way better, guys. It's by a freeway, we can be as loud as we want, you know. The first spot was by a mall, so I think this is way better, honestly. But I think a lot of cars were still at that first location, so there's a lot coming to the second location. Gucci shoes, let me see the belt, let's see the belt, Gucci belt. Hey, you guys are rich over here, bro. Hey, you guys are twinning too. Watch, when Nick comes out of the car, you guys are gonna see that all three of you guys are twinning. F10 M5? That's pretty clean. F10 M5, that's nice. G80s. You can see there's a bunch of cars already coming. BMWs. We got some Ferraris. We got some Porsches. Benzes. We're gonna go through all the cars. Once I feel like everybody settles in, we'll pick up the camera a little bit and we'll get some good cars in for you guys. Hold on. All three of you guys. Hey, come over here. Stand over here. Stand over here. Stand over here.
We got Christmas sweaters on.
This one.
I was there right, huh?
Hey, stand in the middle. Stand in the middle. Stand in the middle. Hey, stand in the middle. Hold on.
Nice combo.
Hey, the Grinch. The real Grinch.
Christmas coming.
Oh shit, Anthony breaking all the necks today with the wide body M4. One of the craziest M4s out there, guys. Wide body. I don't know if you guys saw it. If you guys went to SEMA, he was there. What's up?
How are you?
It's good.
Was this the same M4 you brought last time, or was this a different car?
Same.
Same car.
This is wide body. Bro, look at the seats. Go look at the seats. Full carbon seats.
Crazy.
I'm telling you, go look. Carbon seat inside.
Yeah, that's crazy. Carbon.
Hell no, those things look uncomfortable, bro.
They do look.
Honestly, I swear, I feel like I'll break it if I sit in there.
You should try.
They're so fragile. Hell no.
No, I've actually sat in a pair in a GTR, and they're not that bad actually.
All right, guys, it is starting to get way more packed. A lot of cars are still pulling up, but we got the homie Anthro with his Supra. He just got new wheels and a wrap. It looks really good. It's like an olive green color, bronze color wheel theme going on. It's super nice. As you can see, we got all of us parked up right here. We got Nick, we got me, we got Amir, we got Enrique, we got more homies over there. Look at that, all the BMWs are on this side. We got the McLaren GT, we got the Aventador, like a Nardo Gray. Oh, we need an Aventador, guys, in our life. Doors go up, V12. It's so freaking sick. We got the Ferrari. This is the, I believe it's the F8. So clean. And then we got the F12, I think it is, or A12. No, I think it's the F12. That shit's nice, dude. Look at that. All the exotics parked up here in the front. We got a GT3 RS. Very nice. Another GT3 RS. I love this color right here. I think it's called Miami Blue. This is so freaking nice. We got the Aston Martin SUV. We got the Benz with the drop top, even though it's cold weather. It's clean though. I like the body of this Aston Martin SUV. God damn, listen to that thing, guys. Jeez. And it's on E85. You can smell the E85. That's a clean F8 right there. Yellow with the black wheels, yellow seatbelts, yellow brake calipers. That's clean. Anthony's car getting so much attention, guys. That's just crazy.
Rich.
You're rich, G. Bro, these seats are insane. Look at that, guys. Bro, I would for sure need pillows for this thing. Drop top Benz. You're gonna have to put the top up soon though, because it's gonna be raining. We got a clean E36 M3 Dakar yellow. Very nice. On the stock wheels. That's just very nice. Gotta love the E36. And we got the homie Blue Mustang. You guys know this Mustang gets super known out there in the community, but he shoots like the craziest flames from the back of the trunk from here. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys seen it before a bunch of times on the vlogs, but the flames are insane. They go all the way up to like here. It's crazy. We got the homie CJ. Right idea, wrong motherfucker. You guys see all the decals in the car.
Hey! Oh my God, he's vlogging. What is going on, man?
What's up, bro?
I don't know if your viewers gonna like smoke, but you know, I'm trying to keep him behind my back.
Get him
man.
contact high. Get him high. Get him high.
Woo, just a little bit.
Okay. Toronto red. On wheels. He's rubbing a little bit, but nonetheless, it's very nice. How do you guys feel about the new M2s? I feel like a lot of people still don't like them, and I think they're nice, so I like it a lot. You know what it is, guys? The problem? It's too futuristic for us. We're not used to the changes. We're so used to like older style that having the new thing is just, it's hard to adjust to. But I think it looks cool. I like it a lot, especially if like you mod them with like wheels and like I've seen like a wide body kit on them. They're super nice. Clean E92 M3. Another G80. There's so many G80s, guys. F80s, secure orange. That's clean. I like that. Lime rock gray. M3 CS. Okay. With the carbon ceramic brakes. Rich. And we got the M2 Comp. Hockenheim silver. G80 Eiselman green. This is very clean. With the buckets too in orange. And we got the X3N. It's pretty nice. It's a clean Austin yellow M4 on the Apex with the lap door lid in carbon. That's pretty clean. We got an F80 M3 on comp, secure orange. G80s, a couple 3 Series. F90 M5 in like a green color. That's a very clean M5 right there. Never seen that color before. F80 M3. Damn, reminds me of my old F80, guys. Miss my F80 low key. E92 M3, space gray, very nice. E36, got an F30. There's a lot of people today. We got another BMW. This one's got the carbon fenders on there. Look at the tire setup on this thing. Sheesh. My boy ain't playing around here. You don't want to mess with this guy. It's a clean F80 on Apex. And he's got the stop text on there too. Sheesh. We got BMWs, M2s, G80s. Why is there so many BMWs, guys? What's going on? Look, bro, the whole row is BMWs. There's too many. Why? Hey, this is a nice G80. Look, Toronto red with buckets, white seats. That's clean. Another G80 with bucket seats in orange. It's very nice. All over Anthro. Look at that. Sheesh. He's got all the carbon lip, the hood, wheels, and he's got the wing on there too. Let's check out the wing real quick. Got the big old carbon fiber wing. Look at this. Damn. Sheesh. The homie Mike picked up an MP412C McLaren, and he already put BBSs on it. Sheesh. Rich. Congrats, bro. Rich on BBSs. Damn. Check out the back real quick. Sheesh. That's just so nice. He sounds so good though. I love the way these look. Yeah, so he had an E92 M3, E46 M3, and then he's like, fuck it, I'm gonna go big balling and cop a McCleasy. He's trying to open it. Try to open it, go. You don't know how to do it? You scared? He's still trying to figure it out. I forgot how you, I think you like slide your hand under the thing, no? On top, or the top or the bottom. Oh, shit. I guess I didn't get the memo. These fools are rocking Balenci's. Y'all are rich, bro. Should have worn mine.
These are Kevin's. He let me borrow them last night.
Yeah, I need them back, G. I need them back.
What?
Oh,
What
right
you need
idea,
back?
right idea.
Bro, motherfucker. Let's go, baby. Hold up, man. What you need back? What's going on?
I let him borrow my shoes, G.
Oh,
My
man.
Balenciagas.
Oh, my
here, bro, you got
God.
it back.
The Balenci's?
Yeah, see
Right
that?
off his feet. That's cold blood.
Give me my back. Give me my back.
Oh,
Well, up with the Dior's.
Damn.
Poor, G. Poor.
I'm not. They look better on you. Damn.
What the? This one got a cat chilling on his
So he
hood?
just got out of that milking stage.
Yeah.
What? We got Nick's G80 M3 wrapped in yellow with BBSs. He recently put them on. It's got the sparkle seats in there. Look at that. Yeah, that's just so clean. Super clean G80. Love it. And I love how he has no window tints too, so you can see through the interior. Clean E92 M3. Gotta love the E92s. I believe this is Jerez black. He's got BBSs on it. This shit's so nice. We got the C63. These two cars went in competition with each other back then. Why are there so many G80s? I love these wheels though. The wheel combination is so nice. How much traffic? Oh my. People starting to get rowdy out here, guys. Got another G82 black with the orange interior. Super clean laser lights. We got another G80. This is super clean. I like this color. Look at the tires on this thing. Sheesh. It's just crazy. I love this color though. It's like a sand tan color, I guess you could say, but super clean. E92 M3, the homie Andy's G80 M3, super clean, satin black with the laser lights, orange seats, beautiful combination, very nice. Another G80 M3, white with the bucket seats. Ooh, that's something you haven't seen. Look at that. That's clean. We got BMWs everywhere, guys. All the Beamers are out today.
Forte. Yeah, you feel me though? My guy's over here using big words, forte and shit.
Forte.
You know, he trying to get a bad bitch. He trying to get a baddie out here. Forte and shit. What else you gonna use, my guy?
No, this will suit you. This suits you. This suits you, no?
Nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. That's not
The
me.
grins, G.
Look at me, bro. Look at me. I'm wearing a right here, wrong motherfucker hoodie. Seriously? You think this
Do not
fits
fuck
me?
with me. Right idea, wrong motherfucker.
Right idea?
Let's go. Man, y'all gonna get me canceled. Y'all gonna keep saying this shit.
Hey, you gotta get Nick on the podcast. You gotta get Nick on the
I
podcast.
will. I mean, are you a podcast type of guy?
Yeah, he is. Of course he is.
Maybe.
Maybe. Have you ever been on a podcast?
I've never been on one, so I don't know.
Why
Behind the bill
not?
type of video?
Do you know who you are, bro? I found this guy because he started drifting at the racetrack, all right? I went to the racetrack and I was just started filming cars, and all of a sudden, I seen this guy over there whipping it. My guy had angle kits and shit, you know, and now he drives a fucking Beamer. I don't know what happened to him, so that's why I gotta get him on a podcast to ask what happened to you, bro.
I've never been on one of them. I'm down. First got that charisma.
Raising
lifewithkg.
Huh?
Fuck it, let's
Raising
go.
Cane's?
Let's go.
This early?
Plug
It's
him
too
into
early.
Instagram.
Lifewithkg.
There it is. Let's go. Hey, that's his shit, man. Man, it's Finding Nick, man.
Shout out Finding
Goddamn
Nick, shout out
it.
Finding
You
Nick.
better go find Nick everywhere. Find him, plug him in, tag him, put a little pin on his car and tell him you found him. Life of KG is going down out here.
Banging over here. All right, guys, we're all parked up. Anthony didn't park in here because I don't think his car would have made it in here because the parking structure is kind of bad. But we're gonna get some breakfast over at Cheesecake Factory and see what else the vlog has planned for us. All right, guys, we out here at Cheesecake. You guys didn't know Cheesecake Factory actually has breakfast. Only on the weekends though. I'll show you guys, it's so fire. It's breakfast time, guys. You guys should know by now. Look at that, Enrique's in the mood right now. After every car meet, we go and we have breakfast with the homies. We got the Monte Cristo.
One strawberry?
French toast. What the? Where's your food? How's your food, Enrique? Good? How's your food, Anthony?
Delicious.
Alright?
No, you use.
Nice, bro. You deserve it. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Alright, guys, we finished. It's raining, though. What the? Well, it was, but it's not anymore. The Americana is so nice. Where you at? You're in valet, huh? You're rich. Poor people park in the parking structure, bro.
Keep in the front.
Yeah, you're rich, bro. Look at that.
He has to stay ref. He's got his car.
You're You're leaving, Anthony? That's it. Hey, it was nice meeting you, bro.
Hey, man, take care.
Take care. Bye. Take care, bro. Nice seeing you. Later.
Bye.
All right, we out.
Drive safe.
What are we gonna do? It's raining, bro.
But look at the cops. I think they're looking for you.
They're looking for you.
No.
Hey, they're looking for Anthony.
You're the one with the state rep.
Oh. Bro, chill. So cited for modified. I didn't get state rep. I got cited for modified exhaust.
Oh, you didn't get straight rep?
No. Hey, if you Ben, listen to me. If you jumped in that pond, you could drive the M4 for a week.
Which
Yeah,
M4?
I'll jump in that.
The GTS, yeah.
Are you serious?
But you gotta be soaked in that shit.
Fuck no.
Why not?
Yeah, $100 is gas to put in.
And $100.
You gotta give me gas too. There's $100.
I'll give it to you on a full tank, and you don't have to return it on a full tank.
Just kidding.
Return it with 0 miles if you want. Look at the old school elevators and this shit.
We don't
It's
even know what
just-
floor we're on?
We are on the 4th floor, sir. What? Nah, bro. Hell no, I ain't taking that. I'm not scared. Just don't take elevators. I'll take the escalator. I ain't taking the elevator. This shit's so classy. Look at the tree, bro. This shit's so nice. Look at the piano. What is?
He didn't get his ticket validated.
I didn't get my ticket either.
Tickets were like 30.
For what? LA Auto Show?
30-35.
Let's go.
Left parking lot.
We're talking about the LA Auto Show that we might go, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Alright, guys. We are out. Oh, crazy day. It's time to roll though. Woo! Gotta love that startup. Damn. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.